started this project in December 2009. We have to find out a good supplier to give us the opportunity to make this project alive in 4 months. So we contact Pharmacos Machinery, and after a few discussions with them, they propose us a new ABB robot. So we accept this project with them, and the story begins there. So after 3 months, we do the installation and we start the production with this new feature, and the robot never stopped till then. So right now we've got at the beginning 65% of efficiency. Right now we are running at 80–85% of efficiency. The benefits that we've got when we use the ABB robot, first of all, is because the size, the footprint of the robot is really small. So ABB was a part of our success on this project.